What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Like you guys could see, como pudieron ver, we just got 2 new animals in the farm. This is Jill. That's Misha. And that's Mystery, I believe. The reason why se llama Mystery es porque tiene un question mark, just like the Riddler.
Just a friend, but you can call me the Riddler.
Así como podían ver en las novelas cuando el caballeroso, el guapotón, se sube en un caballo and picks up the princess.
Pull back the gossamer curtains to find her. What?
La dama, that's how I feel right now with these 2 little horses and Gio in the back. So estos caballos, they were brought to our property, one of Gio's friend on Facebook. And the reason why we have these caballos, so we don't have to do the mowing, all the yard work, they do it for us. Ella también se guarda, she saves some moolah because, you know, hey, alfalfa, you know, it's pretty pricey nowadays.
People, please.
This bale of hay ranged between 20 to 30 bucks. And imagine every 2 days just buying food for these 2 animals. It adds up later on. So they're gonna be here for, let's say, 2 weeks, and I'm very excited for these animals porque we haven't had no experience with horses nor like taking care of horses. So today we're gonna be weed whacking the whole side perimeter because tenemos un chingo de weeds, and it's not the good weeds, it's the bad weeds, you know. But yeah, we adopted 2 horses and they're gonna be grazing throughout the pasture that we have here, and I don't want them to reach, mover their long ass neck like a giraffe through the barbed wire, and I don't want them to get hurt. Un bonito día, it's very fucking hot, so hopefully I'm able to finish this porque this electrical weed whacker nomás me dura for a couple hours or minutes because it's electrical compared to your gas one. We are new to this wild life stuff, to this country lifestyle, ranchero, so we gotta do what we gotta do. So no tenemos todos los equipment. We don't have all the equipment that is necessary to survive here en un ranchito. But yeah, little by little vamos agarrando, comprando. Even if it's used, then we have to refurnish it. You know, as long as we're saving ourselves a couple bucks, you know, you got to do what you got to do. That's why I'm using the electrical, because that's what we have. And I got to do what I got to do, because if I don't, summer's approaching. It's going to dry all this shit up and it's easy for it to be flammable. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to walk to the house, charge the batteries. Okay, so I'm going to go patch a lot of holes that are in the pasture where the horses are at. So I want to patch them so they don't break an ankle or a leg, because first of all, no son mis caballos. ¿Sabe lo que está chistoso? What's really very, very, very funny to me is que back in the days, when I'm talking back in the day, let's talk about back, just poor people like us. They were able to afford horses, and the rich were able to afford cars. Nowadays, the poor cannot afford horses, but can afford somewhat to what a reliable car. Nowadays, los ricos, the rich people that have money, are able to afford a horse, which is very mind-blowing because we came from like a time period where horses were cheap and horses were used for so much. Now we have carros and los ricos could only afford horses, which is pretty funny to me. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna let the batteries charge for the weed whacker, and now we're just there's my label for my avocado. But anyways, so right now I'm just gonna be walking around the property and find like little small holes, and I'm gonna cover those holes, los hoyitos que los topos están haciendo, so when the horses are walking they don't get like hurt. ¿Sabes lo que me di cuenta? What I found out is how the hell am I gonna cover those holes? And therefore, I have to dig for dirt. So I'm gonna go get the wagon. I said dig, get the dirt from the garden area because I think that makes sense. Una nalgadita. Otra nalgadita. Hey.
Doing what you do best?
Huh?
Doing what you do best?
What?
Huh? What? Oh. Okay.
Doing what you do best?
What?
Filling holes?
Filling holes, pounding the hole. Yeah. But the only reason why I'm doing this is because I don't want the horses to break a leg. And for you, it doesn't really matter if you break a leg or break something else.
You break it, you buy it. You're supposed to say it's already been bought.
What? The horse? Look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh, it's about to kill my favorite plant. That's my favorite little flower right there. Después de 100 to 200 holes, there's shit ton of fucking holes. I'm good at filling holes, especially his. Puse a rellenar. Y yo que estoy bien perrón para rellenar las cosas, acabé bien rápido. Rápido pero cansadito. So si te atreves, avísame, eh? Now I'm here trying to removing all these like blackberry bushes that are gonna become bushes. I wouldn't want them in the property, especially the area where I'm walking, because they have thorns, like un chingo de espinas. Siempre cuando termino algo, there's always something else to do. Like, when am I gonna finish? When am I gonna be done? Taco Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. Homemade tortillas. Homemade carnitas. Some taquitos de carnita. So we are currently... It's a foggy! It's a fog. I mean, it's a zucchininis. What are you doing? So we are currently just gonna go check on the horses to see where they're at.